So in our previous video, we had completed login API. Now let's create a profile API to fetch the authenticated user data. So as you can see, you can write this code for creating an API in a API.php route. Then things to note here is this route is protected by middleware Auth API. So that means you cannot access this API without authenticated bearer token. So you must have login in order to get data from profile. So open this auth controller. Now let's go to profile. Then in profile, what we need is $list get a user data. For that, we can use this function provided by Laravel Auth. What it does is it will give all the data from authenticated user. Now after that, let's return response, then JSON. Now inside here, status true, and then message log user data. Let's call it user data. Then data, let's send data as $user underscore data we fetch in from here is this variable. So now let's go to our API. First of all, just copy it and paste it. Now it's a profile. Now we need header. Now let's copy this header, bulk it, copy this. Now go here, header, then bulk it, then paste it, and again click here. Now it's already there. Now let's check our API. So if you click here, send. Sorry, it's not sorbet. Let's solve it. Now let's try it. It's saying unauthenticated because in API we have used a middleware called Authentication Auth API. So we must be authenticated to get a data. Use this API. Now let's go to login API, then click it, then copy this token. Now in here, go to body, then from data, then on header, let's create authorization. Now in authorization bearer, you must write as bearer as prefix. Now copy paste your token. Now as you can see, status true, message user data. In data as object we have passed the data we received, that is Yeti and email, password, phone number, and created and timestamp as well. So this is the response we are sending from here, that is status true, message type data, and data as an object, that is data we have received from here. So as you can see here, so it's working. So if you change into any authentication code, it will throw an error, as you can see. So let's go back. So this is how you can get authenticated user data using Laravel password. So things to remember here, this is how you pass bearer token on Laravel, that is in header, and then authentication, and then with a prefix bearer